in designing the My Keepon toy, we felt it was important or it would be interesting to allow people to hack it and to be able to do more things with the toy than it could do out of the box. And so we decided to leave the I2C bus on the toy's controller open so that people could take other microcontrollers like the Arduino, for example, and connect it to the toy and thereby drive it from other devices, whether it's phone or computer, to use other sensors like the Kinect or the Wii remote controller to just do other things with the toy. So I've established a connection here, and I'm getting a stream of information about, for example, like my pan position. It's telling me that I'm turning it. I'm pressing a button head on and off, front, left and right. So this is just a stream of very easily readable and parsable strings about what's happening to the toy. So just with that, I can use it as an input device. Of course, there's an Arduino, there's 4 wires connected to the controller inside the toy. And this is just Arduino's serial monitor showing me everything that the toy is spitting back at me. And we had, there was a community sort of sprung up very quickly after the toy came out to try to reverse engineer it and figure out the protocol. And actually a guy in the East Bay, was kind of instrumental in starting that up and starting to put together some code. And so we were really excited by that and decided to jump in and help, to fill out that code. And we're about to publish a command, a full command list for all of the control and feedback signals that you can send to and get from the toy, so that it's very easy to just do a roughly half-hour surgery on the toy, plug in an Arduino, connect it to your computer, and then write your own code that can make it do whatever you want. And I can send it commands, like if I want to turn the pan degree of freedom to the right. And then he turned to the right. You can look up, down, left, right, and kind of look all around. I can make him play some sounds. I can make him dance, kind of new dance styles that aren't on the toy. Yeah, so we are using this hack to design some maybe interesting experiences or installations around the toy. You could, for example, put a bunch of them in a space and then choreograph a dance that's kind of distributed between all these toys. What's really nice is that for a few tens of dollars between the toy and an Arduino, you've got a very inexpensive animatronic platform that has really precisely controllable pan and tilt. You can make it lean and bounce. You can play all the sounds that are on the toy. You can actually get feedback from your movement of the toy. So I can stall the motors and I can move the body around, and it can tell me how I'm moving it. So you could imagine all kinds of interesting. Like I could perhaps teach the robot a dance, and the software I write could kind of sense how it's being moved, and then play that dance back. And so yeah, we've just kind of provided the a simple little API for accessing all that, and hope that people will make their own videos and hacks, and we're excited to see what people do with it.